my little nation, it's me, Melina Nice, and today I'm going to be doing a wig haul try-on type thing. I only have 3 out of 6 wigs because the other 3 says it was delivered, but I think either they made a mistake or someone stole my package from outside, so who knows. So today we have 3 wigs here, and this is from the brand Imay. I've already tried these on before, and then I lost all of my footage, like everything was deleted. I actually edited down the whole video, added music to it, it was ready to be uploaded, and then I go on like a week later to try to, put it on YouTube and everything is gone. I guess doing it a second time is probably gonna be a little bit better because I can go a little bit more in depth and actually try. The first video was kind of rushed. I was like, okay, here's the wig, I don't like it, next one, and I guess now I can actually try to make it look good because I didn't try in the first video. The first wig that I tried on was the black one, so I'm going to start there. I'm going to do it in the same order that I did it last time. Here's the bag that it came in. It's a very, very long bag. I think all of these are supposed to be 24 to 26 inches long in length. All of them were. They were all supposed to be Brazilian lace front wigs. Spoiler alert, none of them have a lace in the front. They don't even have clips inside of the cap. This cap is super small. It would probably fit like a baby head, and I have a big ass egg head. So let's just try it on. My dog ended up chewing up my wig cap. So in the last video, I didn't leave my bangs out like I'm doing right now. I'm just curious to see how it looks. Actually, I'm gonna tie back my braids. So I keep my hair ties in a Jeffree Star Morphe bag because I'm just that bitch. Looks way shinier than my real hair. If it wasn't as shiny, I think no one would really clock it. On camera at least. Hold on, I'm gonna go get some dry shampoo. So I'm gonna be using just some Root Reboot dry shampoo from Pantene. I'm just gonna see if I can get a little bit of the shine out. No, it's still shiny. I'm pretty sure there's a lot more stuff you can do to make a wig look less shiny. Pretty sure there's videos on it. So if my bangs were actually the color of the wig, I don't think it would look that bad. Up front you could clearly see where the wig begins. But it's all in fun. It's all in fun. But yeah, so here's the first wig. Comes out to about right here. Has a decent length to it. I'm gonna try it with no bangs. So I'm gonna tuck my bangs into the wig. I'm gonna try making the part as even as I can with the wig. I mean, that looks so whack. Hold on. No, I feel like that looks really bad. I'm kind of jealous for people with like small foreheads. They could probably get away with this wig a lot easier than I can. Does it make my forehead look smaller? Yeah, so this is the black wig. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a hat on over it so we can hide that hideous hairline. All of these wigs, by the way, have a really blunt hairline. Like it's straight up, no lace front, nothing. The wig feels not like very synthetic, but it has a very synthetic feel. They're soft but synthetic feeling. But the length is really nice, so we do get the promised length. I don't know, maybe for pictures, but I would never wear this out in public. I hate that I'm on my phone right now because I can't even zoom in to show you guys what I want to show you. I like this hat a lot better with this. Maybe you can grab these 2 French fronts and like bring it in the back perhaps. I feel like that looks a little bit better. Am I weird, or do these kind of look like extensions? It's really just this wig. Just snatched my own wig. Alright, so next is this blonde wig here. I'm sorry, I forgot how bad this smells. In the first wig video that you guys will never see because it's deleted, I did comment on how bad this wig stunk. Like when something's wet and then you leave it out to dry, but it doesn't dry down all the way, so it has like that wet scent. Yeah, this smells like it's been in a basement and that person had animals. The cap in here is bigger than the one before. The black one was like way smaller than this for the head. So it has like a lot of shedding going on, and this did not happen in the first video. So here is the blonde wig in all of its glory. I love the length, I love the curls. I feel like if this was like a lot fuller up at the top, it would look really, really nice. And obviously if it had a lace front, it would look even better. But the smell is terrible. The length is really pretty. The color is actually really pretty. Hair part to the side maybe. But I will try it on with my hat. From this angle, it doesn't look that bad. So if I started the video off like this, like a random video, not about a wig, would you guys clock me? Like, would you be like, girl, that wig though? Or would you think I actually dyed my hair? Like, I want to love it. I really do. I really want to love this wig, but I feel like I would never wear any of these out in public ever. So here's the length of the wig. It goes down to about right here on me. And this is what I'm talking about. In the first video, I did none of this. I didn't stand for you guys. I didn't do anything. So this one's going to be more like of an involved wig haul. So I'm going to go ahead and try on this wig. I mean this hat. I feel like we all went to school with this girl who looked just like this. And her name was definitely Chloe. This kind of like, with this hat and this hair, it totally reminds me of those Hallmark videos, those Hallmark movies where like the girl is new to town and she's just like, a snowstorm, now I have to stay at this random hotel with this random hot stranger that I'm totally gonna fall in love with. It reminds me of Christmas time, and the blondness just reminds me of those girls who are always in the Hallmark movies who like randomly goes ice skating and then they bump into a stranger and they're like, I'm so sorry. And then they lock eye contact from there and then they fall in love. So yeah, I'm totally ready to go ice skating, bump into a random hot stranger, fall in love, and you know, create a family. I never realized how hot it was in that wig. Like, as soon as I took it off, I felt all the breeze hit me at once. This is the other wig that I'm going to be trying on. It gives me kind of like Ariel the Mermaid vibes. The head cap is decently sized, but I would prefer it being a little bit bigger just because I have a big head. When I got this wig, this one single hair had been plucked out of the wig. So I'm not really sure what the purpose of this was. I don't know if it was supposed to be like little baby hair, but it's a little like random pluck. It's very soft. Do not get me wrong, the wig is so soft. It hasn't really shed all that much, which is great. It's just this one little piece. I'm actually gonna cut this. I really love the length of the wig. It's very pretty, it's very soft. I just wish the front looked a little bit more realistic and it wasn't as shiny up here. But definitely for like a costume party or a cosplay, I would recommend this wig. It's very pretty. Has a decent amount of hair. It's not thick, but it's definitely not like scraggly thin. It kind of reminds me of how when I was in college, I used to have like really bright neon red hair. Kind of reminds me of that, except this isn't as bright, but I had very similar hair to this. This was supposed to be a curly wig, but I don't really get curls from this. I get like more of like waves. This is more of like a wavy wig than curly. In the picture, it showed it was gonna be like really curly. I feel like it's the most decent wig I've gotten out of the three. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy wig journey with me. You know which wig you like the best and which one you didn't like the best, which one you kind of want to try. I don't really recommend any of these wigs, except maybe this one for like cosplay. Yeah, you've seen how the front of the wig looks. I mean, this isn't something you want to recommend to someone. Yeah, I would save your money when it comes to ordering on this website. So yeah, take this video as like a warning. This is very much so a expectation versus reality video. Like and subscribe for more crazy, random content. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.